Hi guys, it's Matthew again. Today is 10th of December 2020. Sorry, I'm taking a crunchy stuff right here. You have to do this. We've dropped 3 strategies today. We've dropped the high-low strategy for volatility 10, volatility 100, and volatility 25. So we have to drop the one for volatility 50 index right now, and just to complement the all high-low strategies. Maybe we'll probably drop the one for volatility 75 later. So before we proceed, for those who haven't purchased the TOUCHSCALPER boat, that's a link to purchase the boat. Just visit www.touchscalper.ctytechnologies.com.ng to purchase the boat. Here are some of the results of the boat. The version 4.1 is still very effective and active. Here are some of the results on binary.com. You can see right there. You can see it's December. You can see it right there. Don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for more upcoming strategies. Just hit the subscribe button. Subscribe for more upcoming strategies. And here again, all the links you need. This is a link to purchase the boat right here. You can make payment using Bitcoin, web money, perfect money, debit card, and bank transfer. Once you make your payment, just complete the order form on the order page, and once we confirm your payment, then make sure you submit a Gmail address. So once you confirm your payment, your order will be sent within the maximum of 48 hours. So here is a link to sign up for a free trading account for those who don't have a trading account, and here is a link to subscribe to our channels. We've dropped 2 strategies on this channel. Now I will be dropping 2 on this one, so subscribe to both channels for more upcoming strategies. We are going to put all this in the video decision on YouTube. So if you expand the video decision on YouTube, you will see all these infos, so you'll be able to click on the links easily. So this is a link to read related tutorials on our forum website. So let's get back to the trading. I've logged in. You can see we are using the deriv interface all through today. I've logged into the deriv interface. So all you have to do is to change this to smart trader. You click on the smart trader right there. Now the D trader, you click on smart trader. Then you go to synthetic indices. You choose volatility 50 index, and you go to this up down, this trade type. You change this to high low. Then you go to durations. You enter 6 ticks. Then the barrier offset, which is very important, you set it to plus 0.0621. That's plus 0.0621. Then let's go for a trade right now. So we're going to be working with the last 3 numbers there. The last 3 numbers, once it's between 201 to 290, we are going to click on purchase. The last 3 numbers, once it shows from 201 to 290, we are going to quickly click on, that's 226. So we click on, we are clicking on the lower. Don't forget, you have to click on the lower. So as you can see, we won that trade. We already won that trade. We make 3.51 bucks there. So let's go for another trade. Don't forget, you have to click on lower. You have to click on lower. So you have to watch the last 3 numbers. It has to be between 201 to 290. That's 201 to once you see between 201 to 290 in the last 3 numbers, that's 2. That's 317 505. Once you see 201 from 201 to 290, it must not exit 290. So let's go for another trade there. 736 905 729 966. Your mouse has to be on the lower always for you to be able to click on the purchase trade as fast as you can. 927, that's 588. We are watching the last 3 numbers. That's 211. So I've clicked on purchase there. Okay, you can see we won that trade again. We made another 3.50 bucks. So let me just change this to 230. Let's make 35 bucks. I will change it back again to 23. That's 223. I'm gonna make 35 bucks now. You will see. As you can see, we made the 35 bucks. So let me change it back again to 23. Depends on what you have in your account balance. So let's watch again. You can even give some time space before you place your trade, maybe 1 or 2 minutes, depends on. That's 222. We'll make another 3.5 bucks now. You'll see. As you can see, we won that trade again. So let's go for another trade. Let's just wait for maybe some time before we go for another trade. That's 930 223. Let's wait. Can see these last 3 numbers has to be between 201 to 290. Don't forget 201 to 290. So let's go for another trade. It's 850, 800, 726, 528, 874, 988, 082. That's 231. So as you can see, we won all our trades. We made about 40 something dollars just within a few minutes. We won all our trades. So you can go on and on and on and on and on if you are using this strategy. As you can see, it's 100% accurate. If you watch carefully, it's 100% accurate. So you can go on and on and on when you are using this strategy. Don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for more upcoming strategies. Then for those who haven't purchased the TOUCHSCALPER boats, you know what to do. Just visit www.touchscalper.ctystechnologies.com.ng to purchase the boats, and you can see the results. Right here. So thanks for watching. Bye.